Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I got a hadiah from, this one is from Madam Sam's with family. And also this one for my Madam with family. Okay, so this coming Christmas, I go to church. So I wear this one. Okay. First, I have pajama. And I have a nice pajama for winter. Okay, yan o. Ayan, with Christmas tree. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Sisi. Thank you, Madam, with your family. Okay, I have this one is my for go to church. Okay. And with jacket. Okay, with jacket. Kasi cold na. So that's why. She go in the shopping of this. It's not a mall, it's a department store, this one, because it's a private just this alone of this super department store. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, thank you. Oh, I say I have already had the Christmas for my attire to go to church. This one also. Okay, yeah. With the family. She is the sister of my madam. Si Madam Sam's with this family also. Okay, ayan. I check if it's good for me. Oh. You see it? You see? Oh. Every year, every holiday, I get receive a gift. Before, it's Ramadan, it's Christmas, and it's my birthday. Oh, you see? Where I put it down. Okay, it's okay. I'm just, what's that? Yes. Thank you! Thank you again! Ayan. It's good. If I wear it, I go to church, I make video again. Okay. Ayan. Thank you. I have already. And yeah, finish. I finished already. So I will put this one in the hanger. Para when in the 25, I get ready to wear for my Christmas gift. Oh, some of the kadama, not all, okay, not all, but I wish that all of them they get receive a gift, or if no, it's okay. The important that we have a good health, okay, and just pray. That's all. But I'm only thankful that I got receipt of my Christmas gift. Okay, and not only this year. Before my previous years, I received also some hadaya, especially Ramadan, birthday. birthday and Christmas. So I am very happy. And thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. For I got received already for my hadiah, from my employer, for my Christmas attire, by going church. Okay? So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you again. Again, thank you also to all subscriber of mine that you are watching of my all videos, my regular videos and my short videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe me, share, likes and comments. But I'm very glad to say that thank you for your gift that you are giving to me to support of my social to support of my social media in my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much. Clockwise, God will be provide also to each of you. He provide everything what you need, especially to the health. Okay, and whatever we are, whatever you are, where are you? All of us must be keep safe lagi, especially to our health. Okay, take care to our health, especially to our daily routine of our life while I'm still alive here in the worldwide and nationwide. Sabay pang ganun. Thank you very much talaga. Shout out to all nationwide and worldwide, and to all people in the different country. Shout out. You are a subscriber or not subscriber, keep safe and good health, and God bless us all, and bye.